Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Appier Solutions, guys. Today I'm gonna bring you guys, Namecheap promo codes, okay? The newest and most exclusive codes in 2024, so you can use them right here for buying your domains. So you can actually come here, namecheap.com/promos/coupons, and right there on their official website, guys, they actually post. All right, they'll actually post monthly coupons right here, as you can see here. So you would get for this one, make sure, look guys, it's kind of case sensitive, so make sure you put all of this in capital if you're gonna input it through your account. But you can just here and click it to register the domain. You get email, secure site. So if you use this, you can get a discounted registration and transfer. This one you get 36% off all your plans for your emails, and this one you get 26% off your EV multi-domain, SSL security. So this is for securing your website. And then guys, we have a different coupons as well, so you can register different websites, whether it's .com, .net, .biz, it doesn't matter. You can do for different. And here we have the prices for each. All right, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. You can come to the official website and get your promos or your coupons. Okay, guys, literally that easy and simple. So if this video helped, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you still have any other coupons or any good coupons. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.